Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about a SUI targets updates with my customer said what's going on now, and I have a bad news for you. Let's dive in. All right, the bad news is not about especially the SUI token, but for reputation, it's kind of bad. So the CETUS main liquidity provider DEX on SUI hacked, and somebody just withdraw liquidity. So this is how the most of the charts looks like. So it's just drain it and immediately dump it like 78 or 90%. Even the USDC SUI on CETUS is unpacked, and it's kind of weird because FDV now 8K, liquidity 143K. So it's kind of bad. In 5 minutes, all liquidity gone. It's for everyone who screaming we don't need the regulation. We don't need the institutional on board because we are here for the touch and about decentralization and all of this stuff. Guys, you have to keep in mind all of these projects. It's just fancy virtual internet tokens, fancy stuff. It's just startups. For many projects, we didn't even know who behind the project. We just read the news, we read their Twitter, we read what they post about it, what they promise it, but we can't know who stay behind and what they really do or not. So it's a fact, and we are so early on a blockchain, like industry in general, and definitely in the future, everything will be regulated, everything will be not so volatile, and many tokens will be vanished from the market. Some DEXs will be still alive, and survive. And some enthusiastic can trade and trade meme tokens on different chains. But in general, step by step, this industry will grow, and we move forward together with the big guys. You can love it, you can hate it. After the years, at the end, people start realize, so the paper money, it was a real decentralization, because I give you the $100, right? You took $100. Nobody know about this transaction, hand by hand, and nobody can steal your money. Only if it's a chef or I don't know, some bad guys joined your house. Anyway, now. Let's take a look on the SUI. No matter what's happening with now with the CETUS, the SUI not dump it and hold the line, pretty good one. But anyway, yes, here was a reaction on this one here, 7% drop, but not that big like it could be. So let's go to the weekly time frame. A weekly time frame, I don't think so. We're gonna drop to, once again, the zone of interest here. No, I think we go in higher. How high? It's around, I guess, $10. So let me show you here another FIB. This one, 668. This one, 775. So this is the next step for SUI global one. Locally, of course, we can drop to the monthly open and around here. So 232 and 313. So it can be still okay. Yes, this summer we can form something like double bottom around here. Start climbing up by end of August, for example. The size, especially this of double bottom, will be, I don't know, around $7.50 and $9. $10 possible, more than sure it's possible. Depends of course what's going on with the SUI in general. But time to buy, SUI was here in zone of interest. To buy now or not, it's only up to you. I'm skip the SUI, But yes, this token got a potential. I choose another alt because I wait the bigger returns. Maybe SUI is not with some big returns, right? But maybe it's more safe. If we compare, for example, with Omni or Zkissing, right? So I think they will figure out everything and put it back liquidity. So I hope the people will not lost all money, or they cover their losses. I hope everything will be okay, right? So weekly time frame with the trade on indicator was a sell, drop, buyback, bounce. We grab this liquidity. Now we reject at the yearly open. We'll see what will happen next. Here was a sell, buyback, bounce. Now sell again, rejection at the yearly open, and 2 signals to sell. So yes, form something like double bottom. It's more than real this summer. And the targets of that double bottom will be over than $8. We will see. We will see. For BTC, I shared my ideas today, so I recommend you go and check. ADZ direction market move. Daily, it was a time to out. Here's a time to in. Now, no time to out. But yes, we are traded at distribution and market move, 100% AFRIA. Here was a distribution, here's accumulation, now in the middle. So yes, we get a huge potential to form the divergence on a weekly. Something like this one I wish to see. And even here, like this one, and new on the chart. With some correction or without. So globally, guys, I believe in new all-time high for SUI. Again and again and again. When? Nobody knows. Money power. Money outflow. Money inflow. Pump. No money outflow. Good one. Daily, of course, it's local one. Last money inflow. Money outflow. No, nothing. Be careful. Be careful. Based on this news, yes, we can go into correction, especially if the BTC will go to correction now. And it's healthy correction for BTC will be. Trade on I showed you. And the last one is take profit. Here we rejected the exit line, buy line. Now for SUI, it's exactly double bottom. Here $1.89, fundamental price $1.40. Would be good to see the double bottom. Imagine the fear if the SUI will drop under $2. 12 time frame $2.12, fundamental value $1.56. All targets, like conclusion for the all-time high. Also, I shared my idea. Write please in the comment, what do you think about SUI? What do you think about this hack? Is it bad for reputation for SUI or not? And if you would like to trade as my customer said what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.